Madonna's happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year when it comes. Today's video, someone sent me a message and they want me to talk about this and share it with you guys. I want to leave it in the feedback because you know what? We are mothers, we are a woman, and if we have children and we love our children, them we definitely don't want to see certain things that happen to our children. Them it doesn't matter how old your children are. Um, you know what certain things that happen to them and say or do anything. A mother, it will always be a mother. And let me just say this before I get into the story because the story is really familiar. Let me tell you something. As a mother, they raise your children, and then pass the verse, then grow up, them date, them have children, them have spouse, they're married, then live on their own, whatever. It doesn't matter. A mother will always be a mother. Always be a mother. And you cannot take that away from them. Especially the one them will love them pitney. Because you have some mother really not care. Like when them pitney want to do. And sometimes I try to put myself in that way there where me pretend like me not care, but it is a hard thing to do. Play a hypocrite, because that is hypocrite. Anyways, let me read the message and then me I got share something with you now. I read it already and I'm like, oh wow. Let me get my testicles there. Anyways, gonna hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Ooh, hit that like button. Ooh, hit that. Anyways, so she said, hi Donna, I subscribe to your YouTube channel. I really enjoy in your videos. I have something I want to say. My daughter is with this guy and I am going to tell you the truth. I don't like him. Mhm. The reason why he is brainwashing her all the time, all he do is lie to her, make empty promises. As a mother, how would you feel to watch your daughter go through things like this? Like for instance, he told her to get dressed, he's gonna come and take her out, and he never showed up. And then eventually when he came, he just tell her one bunch of lie and she believes it. Tell me what you think about situation like this and how would you feel as a mother. I will be in the comment section to see how your supporters, what your supporters are saying. This is one, yeah. Madonnas, let me tell you something. As I said before earlier, as a mother, you will always feel that way. You cannot take that away from a mother who genuinely is just love. You raise your child and you want what's best for them. When you go through, you don't want your pitney them to go through the same thing. And mother becomes detective. You don't even understand. When my daughter tell me say to meet this guy and she was going to get married to him, me eventually turn detective. Me don't know about Uno, me talk about me. Me turn detective. Because I know I'm go through with man. I mean I want my daughter to go through the same thing. So when me turn detective and me find out certain things, me never approve. But when my daughter turned to me and said, Mommy, you been a protect me all of your life. You protect we all of we life. No, if me I go get hurt, you can't stop it. And that is exactly what she said to me. She said, if me I go get hurt, me can't stop it. So instead of me and her battle back and forth, I remember tell you, so when she said that to me, I nearly snap pants. I was shocked out of my clothes. Cause I'm like, this Pitney thinks that she a big woman. What is this she a tell me? But it's like something just hit me and me say, I really need to step back. You know, me I get a call, guys, and this not nice. Hold on there. Somebody outside to me, lose my focus. So anyways, me I tell you, it's like you just never ever. Oh, see, just a pull up the lie to me. Yeah, when she told me that, I was like, girl, what are you doing? What are you saying? But then something hit me. I'm a cry, you know? Me cry because it's like, me feel like me a win she. Like she did the palm breast all along. Grown woman, you know? And I was listening to this guy telling me under my comment section, say, if no want no more Jamaican woman because they no leg for them growing pitney. No big woman. They no leg for them growing pitney. And I said to myself, say, what is this man talking about? And me start to reflect back on what me did do when my daughter, like, I play a detective with, with the person. And then, me find myself, let go the whole of me pitney them, me let them go. And me say, me go through a lot, and I guess them have to go through a lot to learn. So my advice, me go to the person and come back. Give me a minute, cause me want to talk to you and now me I lose focus. So me want to come back. So run up and down the stairs a while ago. So anyways, guys, when the man put it in the comment section, say, you don't want no more Jamaican woman because they don't look after them grown pitney. Me actually go answer the man in the comment section. And then me look back in at myself and say, maybe I truth. But you see, after that, after my daughter said that to me, and this is just my advice from a mother to a mother. You see, where we want for we children, them sometimes I know where them want for themselves. You understand? We want the best of them. But at the same time, them have to go through hard time for them to know where them going. Them not gonna have life smooth all the time. So this can be a hurdle for she, and she a go jump over it and overcome it. As long as him not hammer, yeah, mental distress and them something there, it's very hard to deal with and for watch as a mother. That's why for me, I prefer them stay out of my way. As my children, me don't want to inner them, up in them relationship because me critique and me might see or hear them attack to my children, them a certain way, them partner. And me I go get up in my feelings because me might not like it. Cause me believe say in a relationship you should respect your partner. It doesn't matter. Because what? Respect each other because it go a far way and it help to build a relationship. When two people young, sometimes they have a lot of hard times and a lot of obstacles because some people they have childish behavior and them like them just some of them don't grow it out, some do. Them just have childish behavior. And fee being with somebody and then make empty promises to the person and then turn around lie to them and tell them all different kind of story all the time. And you as a mother sit down there and watch it happen all the time. It can get frustrated. You see your child go through that. And then now you just come and tell me pitney, one bag of lie. As some you go feel as a mother protected, you're in a protected mood. But sometimes you have to just let it go. And if them not their own way, it better for you. Say your child mental I get hurt, but them have to know what them can deal with. Whatever them can deal with, them have to deal with it. Whatever them can deal with it, then just step out of it. Cause Uncle Good Salvation last ever. She might not go be with this person. She'll go catch up on him one of these days and say, you know what? Enough is enough. We not take this no more. But all of we, when you check the calendar, all of we have some form of things where we go through in our life. It might not be this story, but it might be another story. But we all of we go through something. But for me, I prefer if my kids them in a relationship, I prefer them not there around me, like in my face with it all the time because me critique and how me treat my partner, me would want to see the same for my children them better, even better than me. But if me see it as a standard where it lower than me I go feel away as a mother. If me see say my children are being treated lower than my standard, because me feel like me put in the work to be a mother, to raise them well, so them can do better than me. So when me see them I get treated from them partner lesser than me I go hurt over it. Me I go hurt. Me not care what nobody wants say. Me no business. Jamaican mother, them no lego them pitney. If that's the case, then that's okay. I love. It now come from nowhere else but love. And me now go pick up every little thing where you are do. No, because life is like this. But there are certain things you will see. You will see as a mother. And stuff like that, me I go see. If me see say you are make me that empty promises all the time, make you get all dress and you don't show up, and when eventually when you show up the next day, you tell her lie and it's not a one time, you do it consistently. Of course. It's especially if my daughter they right on in my face. I mean, if they live them, I live their life. I mean, me no know. But if me see and me know, then it me I go feel some kind of way. Reality. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Happy holiday again. More blessings and prosperity. No, I want to drop on the thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Yeah. A Bobby dance me I do. Bobby dance. What me I do. Anyway, guys, yeah, when the man they tell me in the comment section, say, we're not looking for a growing pitney. We have every right to. Me not think no matter should I do that. So when me answer him, me did answer him because I'm like, please, you bye boy. Adios. Bye bye. Mwah.